Welcome to Bengali Flavors USA. Let's cook some delicious food.
Stop scrolling if you love bold flavors. This crispy, spicy pork stir-fry is about to blow your mind.
Start by tossing fresh green peppercorns into a hot wok to release that amazing aroma. Next, add garlic, ginger, and dried red chilies. Sauté until aromatic and gorgeous. Toss in your crispy fried pork, fresh chili peppers, and a splash of savory soy sauce. Finish with fresh green onions and extra peppercorns, then give it a final high-heat toss.
The crunch, the spice, it is out of this world. If you want more epic restaurant-style recipes at home, hit that subscribe button